Hey guys, I'm back. Today I'm going to be doing another video with the 3 legendary birds from Pokemon Go.
Or just Pokemon in general.
Yeah, or Pokemon in general. So, we're just going to be, I just got trapped just 20 minutes ago, so I'm going to start training that. So, probably get to the 2nd level of trap, and then probably call it good. So, let's get started.
Tightwads. Yes. There's so much tightwaddiness.
Jesus. Can we not talk about tightwads for once?
Well, it's hard not to when there's one right in front of me. You know it just stabbed you, Articuno in the face, right?
Yeah, I know.
And you're not concerned about this?
No. Just as long as your lure keeps working.
It should. It's organic. Well, not Zapdos's. Articuno's lure is organic. Oh, perfect. Another one that joined in.
Yes.
But not perfect. There's another tune that joined in.
Dang it. Why?
Because we can't have nice things. Oh, at least they're enjoying us.
Yeah.
Thanks.
So. Well, guys, like usual, go check out, since hardly anyone's talking, go check out Glitchmaster's channel. I might put his thing in the description, I don't know. I probably will. If you're not subbed to the channel yet, click the sub button below, turn notifications on. It's the little bell symbol. Apparently that's important. Like, share, comment.
Get hit by cogs.
No, don't get hit by anything.
Other one, please.
So.
Thank you.
I'm starting to understand why people love Trap.
Why? Because it's so powerful?
That, and it's so much fun to watch things slip on the banana peels.
Or marbles.
Yeah.
Or step on a rake.
Or smashing themselves in the face with a rake.
Is there more? Yay!
Another thing, tell me what you guys want to see. Like, I feel like I'm being repetitive. It's constantly the same 2 kinds of things, like Toontown and random cannon cup crushing. Like, do you guys want me to bring back the Minecraft part, or Factorio, Undertale? I can do Turmoil. I've got a new game I want to try to record, but I want to play it with some friends, so... And I'm out of Trap, by the way.
Alright, well, I'll just use this.
And then, so yeah, whatever you guys want me to play, I'll try and play it, but I can't make any promises.
Really? The one time I used my trap, Articuno's lure and your lure miss.
What I've been watching all day. I wonder how many points I gained for Trap.
10.
Oh.
So
Fair
just
enough.
head back to the playground and go get some more.
Yep. Wait, do you get more points for Trap than normal?
No. We're in an invasion district. Oh, come on. See, this is what we have to deal with when there's other tunes about.
Yeah.
Where did he even go?
I don't know.
Did he just leave us for dead? Good thing that cold caller just decided it was not wanting anything to do with the battle and just walked away. This other one, on the other hand, I feel as though is going to join in the battle. Normally we would want more cogs, but
as of right now, we really don't. Because I want to go back and get more trap. Is that the same person that was with us earlier?
I think so. Like what? Did they just appear out of nowhere? Watch this bloodsucker join. Nope, and you decided to fly
I don't want
away.
anything else to join.
Well, Zapdos is still getting more trap points. I don't mind that. Articuno got left in the dust, if anybody was wondering. But now we have to go back to the playground and get some gags. Now people are talking about paranormal stuff.
Great, I gotta go all the way across the freaking thing again. I love it.
I'm headed down Punchline.
Alright.
Remember to switch back to Welcome Valley.
So TP'd either one?
No, just Articuno.
Just Articuno?
Yeah. Part of the whole thing. Just waiting for somebody to join. Or teleport.
Alright.
The cog's over here.
Just, yeah, it's you.
Now your trap should instantly kill level 2 now, I think.
Should, but I don't know if it does or not.
And it's also a good thing that trap is basically a perfect hit, so there's no need to worry about it missing. You can worry about your lure missing that you use or that you need for the trap.
Wrong way. Guess it'd help if I went the right way.
I was going the wrong way. I'm just glitching out and I can't even see the battle. Time to see if it instantly kills level 2.
Yeah.
Not quite yet, unfortunately. I'll get the 2, you just hit the 1.
YouTube notifications are just popping up all over the place.
You can never have too many of those.
Oh no, never. And not like I get like 50 of them a day.
Yeah. I barely get in. Then again, I'm not.
Because you're not very social on YouTube, that's all.
Yeah, just look at my channel.
I like get notifications when people comment.
Hint, hint. And more concussions. This your last trap, or do you got one more after this?
I think I got one more left, I think.
Concussion. Two concussions in one day. There's no giggle corns. People in the comments saying everything about these giggle corns, ripping people limb from limb.
I got the rake. Yeah.
Now why don't we go show it off on this tight one over here?
Alright. Alright, I'm going to show you guys the rake real quick, since it's the only one I have. And then I'm going to end this video. And hopefully you enjoyed. If you did, please like, share, comment, subscribe, and hit the notification bell next to it. Sorry my upload schedule's been off.
Well, this is a predicament.
That's just a sounding subject.
Not for me. I got marbles.
This is so nice to look at.
Yeah, this tightwad's slipping at my marble.
I'm eating this.
Oh. You know, I'd make a joke right now, but I'm not going to.
You probably shouldn't. Well,
it's bad.
It's bad.
Yeah, it probably.
I mean, if you want to take a chance at saying, I mean, go ahead and say it, but.
No, I'm not saying it. It's less family friendly that way.
Dude, I start making Cards Against Humanity videos. That's gonna go right down the drain very quickly.
Trust me, it's nothing you want to hear. Now we can use throw and sound or whatever.
What?
It's probably time to end the video.
Well, guys, this last cog, so here again, just don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe, hit the notification bell. Go check out Glitchmaster's channel. Yeah, other than that, that's about it. So, see you guys later.